But about to hit the Times Square. About to go through the Hunnell Tunnel soon. You can't see the skyline. It's mad foggy. But about to go through the Hunnell Tunnel real quick. I'm about to go crazy in that shit. I've been to Hunnell Tunnel in a minute. I haven't taken my car through there ever since I got my exhaust. Ever since I got my muffler leak. So hopefully that shit will be lit. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, man. See you guys later. Surprised there's no traffic out here. And it's New Year's Eve, so yeah, I'm surprised there's no traffic, but I'm right up there. Man, pop up shit. Bro, I don't know what told me to come up here. It's like 9:24. I don't know what told me to come up here, but I was like, yo, let me go to New York real quick. Let me go to Times Square. And it's a Saturday morning, bro. I don't know. But I was like, fuck it, let me go to New York real quick. I had nothing else to do. I was at the gym. I didn't even go in the gym. I was like, yo. I just like looked up Times Square. I don't know why. And I was like, fuck it, let's go. And I got gas and we dip. But yeah, man, but I hit this Hunnell Tunnel, nigga. I can't wait, bro. Like, I haven't been through the Hunnell Tunnel in mad long. And my shit sounding good in tunnels too. Oh, nah, let's get it. Going through that bitch right now. Down shit. Oof. Cops are over there. That shit ain't done now. Damn, this is low-key type traffic, so I don't know if I can really like do a pull in this bitch. But it's fog. You can't even really see any buildings or nothing. It kind of sucks, but. All right, ready? I wish I had a mount, bro. No, I don't. I wish there was less traffic in here. My brother's camera's a little blurry. I seen him earlier, but not that shit in New Jersey, but shit. I need to get down pipes and all that, bro. It's like kind of quiet still, but. What the fuck is that? The fuck is that? Rick and Morty car, bro. Little pop. I want to go in the other lane so bad, but I'm not. turn this off because I need directions. Oh shit, easy pass. But yeah, I'll be back with it when we come back out when we leaving. In the city, man, on Broadway. It's really not that foggy in the city, but outside the city it was foggy. Broadway, man, you see the city. I low-key still want to move here one day, but like I don't know why it's not that bad right now. It is a Saturday, but like I'm surprised it's like more people here. It's just type weird. Cardio, nah, should get a bike. Nah, we're heading in Times Square though. I might hop out and get some shot to the car and let y'all see the car. Cause this is my first time ever posting about my car on YouTube. I did like gaming stuff and like reactions, but yeah, man, do a little quick down shit. Yeah, I still have to get more stuff for this car, man. Coilovers, or I might either do coilovers or bags, but most likely I'm gonna do coilovers. Because bags are like OD expensive, bro. But yeah, city, man. Add your back up with me on Times Square, or if you see some, go ahead, man. Got a nice ass M4 G80. I think it's G80. I think that's what you call it, but it's an M4 though. Actually, it's clean. I'm for sure getting a BMW next after this. But it's either going to be the X6M, the M3, or M5. Or M6, but they don't really make the M6 anymore. But, man, BMWs are tough though. I just hope that shit doesn't break down on me first years and shit. I see something behind me. I don't know if y'all see those yellow lights. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's an Altima. I'm dead. Nah, bro. I love New York though, bro. I can't lie to you. I love New York. I doubt we'll move here though, but like they be taxing here. But it's a beautiful place, man. So we're here in 42nd, man. I'm gonna see if I can go down to the lights. I don't know if I can see it, but I'm gonna see if I can go down there, but I had cops everywhere, bro. I don't know if I could go all the way down there, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. So we're getting somewhere down there. Let me see if I can stop somewhere. I probably won't be able to, but I'm gonna try. But let me see how far I can get down here, and then we'll see. It's beautiful though, man. Oh, that shot over there was crazy. But yeah. Looks like a lot of traffic. People's turning around and shit. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's blocked off up there. But let me see what I could do. So I just got some quick pictures from. I stopped on the bus and I got some quick pictures. You guys will see. I'll put it in the video. But yeah, you guys will see that. So I'm about to get up out of here. I'm probably try to go back through the Honda Tunnel. I don't know, see what the traffic is like, but yeah, man, you can go back home, get some pictures, and be out, man. Let's get it. They really decorated this shit mad nice. I smell loud, yo. I think this is smoking or tea. I forgot that I was legal here. I forgot. But nah, cops is everywhere, bro. I don't know what kind of one it is. That's just that fly. But there's cops everywhere. So that's kind of lit though, but. That move here, bro. Oh, I can't turn right yet. What the fuck is that guy over? Make sure I get these directions for them. I'm going to the Lincoln Tunnel this time for going out, but let me get the directions right and everything. I wish this shit had Waze on it, but yeah, Infinity navigation is ass, bro. I can't lie to you. That shit is so ass. But yeah, give me 1 second though, I'll be right back.
To my friends, I was like, it's about to go down.
Oh yeah, it's lit. Gotta go to the tunnel. That's what I mean, I want to get shout out to Abe Lincoln, man. That was a real nigga. Real New York, gotta catch y'all, man. New York, I'll be back, man. I'll be back. Trust me. Where I live at, there's like no tunnel, so like I really can't get phones or nothing. Camera, but hey, come here, look at my folder. It's a what's that, Camaro? She got no noise to it though. I was about to switch lanes on this. So I'm about to switch and start moving. I'm gonna get my shit tuned and everything, but I don't know if I'm gonna tune it. I might just save my money to get a BMW, bro. Like honestly, but I don't know. I'll see. For sure, we're gonna get downpipes and shit like intakes and shit like that. I don't know if I want to get to it because two for this car, like with the what's it called, Ecotech, the one I saw, if I'm correct, it was like $2,000 or like $1,000. So I don't know, man. Let's see. I hear that turbo. Oh, that. You can really hear everything in the tunnel, bro. It's lit. Alright, man, we out. I think it's still more tunnel to go. But we're in New Jersey now, man. 495 Western New Jersey Turnpike. But I'll catch up, man. I do not want to get lost here, bro. But I think I know where I'm going. But yeah, we in New Jersey. But yeah, let me get off this shit. I do not want to get lost right now. Alright, I'll catch y'all when I'm almost home, actually.
1 minute later.
Side of the road. Bro, my Easy Pass was up here, and like this shit doesn't have like this. It just falls out. Actually, I will show you. It just falls out when I go to turn. And just now, like before I was in New York, it fell out of there. And like I have a toll coming up right there, and that shit went underneath the seat, and I could not get it. So I had to pull over and get that, bro, because I was not taking that ticket to the mailbox, bro. And that shit is 2 times more expensive than the Easy Pass. But yeah, man, I'm about to hit the toll. I just had to tell you that shit real quick. That shit's funny, so. But yeah, I catch y'all, man. Got another Q in.